Hi there, I'm Will, and I'm here at Lebay Primary School today in Mesa, Thailand, on the Thai-Burma border, where many Burmese migrants and refugees are now living. I'm here at Lebay because I hear that some students have been working on a garden. So I'm going to go see if they can teach me a little bit more about plants and have them introduce their new project to me. So come on, let's go. First, I met up with Ye Pyo, a grade 5 student who was keen to show me around the garden that he had helped build.
Hi Ye Pyo. So tell me, what is a plant exactly?
A plant is a living thing, but it's not an animal.
Okay, so what sort of plants do you have growing in the garden here at Lebay?
Maybe Tommy Win and the other boys can show you.
Yeah, okay, that sounds good.
We have many different vegetables growing in the garden. We have pumpkins, peas, okra,
A plant. What a crust!
And what's this strange looking plant? Where's Wei Ong? Did we lose him?
Hey, have you guys seen Wei Ong? No, we haven't seen him.
Okay, teacher, let's go find him. I will get some other students to help.
Sounds like a plan to me.
Teacher, I think I hear something. Don't you?
Yeah, where's that coming from?
We found him! Shall we found him? He is in here.
Wei Ong, we have a video to make. Oh, sorry, teacher.
Okay, let's go. We're shooting a video. Go. There you are.
Rosa.
So, when do you students water the garden?
We give the plants water in the morning and evening.
Okay, how about this? How do plants eat and drink? Okay, great.
Plants drink water using their roots. The water gets up the stem and the leaf, even the flower seeds.
Yeah, I do. That's amazing. By putting color in the water, the whole plant has changed color. The stem has changed color, the flower has changed color, and even some small leaves. Impressive.
Plant is by using their leaf. The taste is air and sunlight. You know well, plants are very important for us and the earth. They clean the air for us and provide us with food.
They clean the air?
Yes, and we need them to breathe. They take away carbon dioxide from the air and they produce oxygen in the room.
I see. I hear the school is also doing something else to help the earth.
Yes, we have started recycling plastic bottles. You see?
What happens to the things you guys recycle, like these bottles?
They will go to a recycling plant where they will get you again and make into other bottles, cans, and even things like clothes.
This is a place where we take our plastic. After collection for 2 weeks, we had 18 kilos of bottles. We sure saved a lot of plastics.
Nice. Well, you guys are doing a great job here at Le Bay. Keep it up, and thanks for inviting me here today. I had a great time.
Mesot.
Mesat.
Education.
Education.
Project.
Project.
Production.
Production.